It all started with a quiet hum. Dos's ears perked up. The vacuum had entered the room. He stood his ground, a 3-month-old trickler beagle, defender of peace, protector of socks. He gave it the stare, then the growl, then a heroic bark. The vacuum didn't flinch. Dos charged, then instantly retreated. Hide behind the couch. But this wasn't over. He peeked out, barked again, tail wagging like a warrior drum. Another lunge, another zoom away. This was war. A war of nerves and beagle feet. And when the vacuum finally stopped, Dos strut around it like he won. Because in his mind, lesson of the day, every hero needs a villain. Dos just happened to pick one with wheels.